Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this mesh office chair that this brand sent to me for this video. And this one has at least four special features that I'm going to show you in a close-up in a few seconds that makes it to be special, because it can be a good chair for home office, for productivity, for gaming, but at least there are four features that I think that this one will stand out from other chairs. Also, by the way, the assembly process of this chair was especially simple. I mean, nothing out of the ordinary. I think it took me 20 minutes, no more than that. And it supports 400 pounds. Also, if you want to check it out, I'm 5'10", and you can see that I still have so much room right here for my head. So it's a tall chair for people up to 6'3", 6'4", I would say. Let's take a closer look. So first, let's start with the headrest. It has a tiltable headrest, as you can see over here, which, by the way, you can adjust and put it even in a taller position. And also, you can adjust this position as well. So it has fairly like three different positions that you can use with this one. And you can tilt it, and all made of a really nice and breathable mesh, as well right here for the back support with a nice and breathable elastic firm mesh. It offers a really nice lumbar support right here, which is going to be kind of like the more elastic way that I was just telling you before. But this is the first special feature that I show you in a close-up in a few seconds. Right here on the back, you will find that this chair comes with a power cable, because inside here, kind of like right here on the lumbar support, there is a massager. I'll show you that in a little bit. Another one of the special features, and this is kind of crazy. Check this out. Check what happens on the 4D and 5D armrest. You can go out, you can go in, you can go backwards, you can go forward, you can go even further if you want, just to put it kind of like in a more like chilling position if you want. And of course, you can do this as well, which is going to be, I think it was right here. Yeah, right here. So check this out. You can change the height on the armrest and just make them to be especially tall or super low if you want as well. But just having the chance that this one, you can put them in any angle, and these are even padded, I think it's just fantastic. Like every other chair with this handle, you will be able to manage the height of the chair as well. But this one right here is another one of the special features. Check this out. With this lever, you can actually change the position of the seat, which I think it is really cool, just to be more close to the lumbar support, or just like a little bit further away and just chilling. So that is amazing. And talking about chilling, look what happens here. You have another one of the special features. Here, you're gonna find a fantastic leg support, which is kind of like more a foot support, like kind of like an ankle support, which is also really well padded and breathable. So it's gonna give you that really nice feel. But then if you unlock this one, you will have this recliner. Oh my God, this is just outstanding. Such a nice recliner you have over here for kind of like working from home if you want, but also chill and relax, kind of like in between sessions, in between working from home, or in between gaming as well. And also, by the way, you can just lock it in any position, which I think it is another really cool feature. But now let's check on the very last feature that I want to show you, which is going to be the massager. So then here's the thing about the massager. You don't have to have it plugged. That's why the power cord is not super long. It could be longer. I think it could be longer, but you don't have to have it plugged. You can just like do this, and this thing is entirely rechargeable. So when you click in here, you're going to see that this one is going to start moving. So that's going to give you that really nice massage that you need when you're sitting. So having this one over here, I think it is just so cool for sitting for long periods of time and just chilling a little bit with a nice massage. So bottom line, if you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, easy to assemble chair that supports 400 pounds and for tall people, that also comes with a massager and a fantastic footrest as well as a recliner, look no further, because this one, I guarantee you're not gonna regret it.